Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to uninstall an update from your Windows 11. So there is a feature. Just open your Start menu, then go to Settings. You can see here, open Settings, then come to Windows Update from the left side menu. Okay, just click on that. Then you can see option of Update History. Okay, simply click there. Then you can see option of Definition Updates, then Uninstall Updates. Select this one, uninstall update. Then you can see the previous updates. Okay, and simply click here to uninstall. Actually, I'm not going to do there, but there is an option like this. You can simply uninstall the update. So that's guys very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.